Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel Flossy Skincare, and today I'll be teaching you how to make brightening bath gel. So what we need is our rose water. We'll need aloe vera gel. We'll also need our vitamin B3, then we need kojic acid, and then finally our vitamin C absorbic acid. So we're going to put it in our bowl. Put it like this in the bowl. Okay, now we have poured our powdery substance. So we're going to take small rose water, pour it. Then our aloe vera gel. We're going to mix it. After that, this is our bath gel. We're going to pour it inside. Slowly mix it. So this is our brightening bath gel. See how it is. Thank you. Please kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye. Now look at that luscious bath gel. So delicious. Brightening bath gel. Yeah, so that is how to make a brightening bath gel. And like and subscribe. Thank you. So this is a brightening bath gel. Very delicious. So cool.